bank robbery in Ocala, Florida, led to a wild high-speed chase, a crash into a pond, and a dramatic police standoff. On May 8th, 37-year-old Randall Williford stormed a TD Bank with a gun and fled with nearly $7,000, sparking a 90-mile-per-hour pursuit. What followed next could have turned deadly as he confronted officers still armed. Body cam footage captured every heart-pounding second.
Coming up the baseline, I'll let you know which direction. So southbound, light traffic, speeds 90. Tampa, direction westbound. Just past Forest High School. Inside lane, speeds about 90. Just went through the red light, going northbound, southeast 44th Avenue Road. Call it a whole lot if you're by the front. Okay. Westbound 38th Street, heading back out towards Temple rollover.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! He's got a gun! He's running with a gun!
Fuel's coming up.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
If you found this breakdown informative, hit that like button and subscribe for more real police footage and case coverage. Drop a comment with your thoughts and stay safe out there. See you in the next one.